Welcome to this meditation for stress and anxiety relief. Find a quiet place where you feel comfortable and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully, letting go of any tension. Feel your body begin to settle. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the natural rhythm of your breath. Soften your forehead. Relax your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. Feel your arms and hands grow heavier, resting with ease. As you inhale, invite a sense of calm into your body. As you exhale, let any stress gently melt away. Imagine a warm, soothing light surrounding you. This light carries peace, ease, and stillness. Let it wrap around you like a comforting embrace. With every inhale, welcome this calming energy. With every exhale, release what no longer serves you. Let your breath flow naturally. No need to control it. Simply allow it to guide you into a deeper state of relaxation. If thoughts arise, acknowledge them with kindness, then let them drift like clouds passing in the sky. There's no need to hold on. As your body relaxes, let your mind follow. Allow it to soften, to become lighter, more spacious. Feel a quiet sense of ease settling within you. Know that in this moment, you are safe, supported, and exactly where you need to be. If any remaining tension lingers, breathe into that space. Let it dissolve with each exhale, like waves gently receding from the shore. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere to be. Just this moment. Just your breath. Allow yourself to simply be. Notice how lightness begins to spread within you. A quiet peace expanding with each breath. Take a deep inhale, filling your body with fresh energy. Exhale fully, letting go of any heaviness. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling present in this space. Take one last deep, nourishing breath and sigh it out, feeling refreshed. When it feels right, open your eyes, move gently, carrying this sense of peace with you. Thank yourself for taking this time to care for your mind and body. Let this feeling stay with you. May you move through your day with ease and calm. Thank you for being here.